magicians have a new secret weapon. Remember the center card, King of Clubs? It's taken out, and it changes. Switchblade. Diamonds and a 7 of spades. I told you the one to watch is the one in the middle. Check out the back. What the? Use a card of a different color if they were playing this game. Spooky.
Where'd it go?
I'm not like the other guys that play this game on the streets that turn them face down and mix them up. I'm actually going to make it easy for you to find that King of Clubs.
No way. What? No way. No way. No way.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
When it comes to betting, I don't joke around. Show them.
What the fuck, dude? How about you, beer?
Yeah, I'll take one.
High five against her.
That's impressive.
Thanks.
Nice work.
Thanks very much. Appreciate it.
Wow.